Alright, so guys, now we are back at it again with another sewing tutorial. So now we are going to make trouser sideways, you know, understand, a design, a stripe on the side, trouser sideway, you know, understand. So without wasting much time, let's get it done. So on this side, on this trouser, this is the white trouser that we used to make, you know, understand. We are going to put another design on it. So if you have iron this place that we stitch, you know, understand, can you see it right? Can you see it right here? You have iron this place to make it go here, you know, understand, to make it go here, this side, the right side for the meantime, because we are going to stitch it on top on the first one. Then after that, then we will iron it to make it go this side, to stitch on the what, the left or the right one, you know, understand. So now we are going to do it. So this is how we do it. If you don't know how to do it, this is exactly how we did it. We cutted it like this. We cutted it the trouser length, you know, understand. The trouser length is 30 inches, so this length is 30 inches. So I'm not going to measure the length for you, but the wideness is what I'm measuring for you. That is 1.5 and quarter, and we folded this side, you know, understand. You understand, like a quarter, you know, understand, half, you understand, to make it like this. So now it is what, showing just one side. It is now, it is almost 1 inch, you know, understand, to do the what, the sideways design. So just without wasting my time, just watch the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to understand, or you'll be able to know how to do it, you know, understand. Simple as ABC. Let's get it done. We are sticking it straight to the down part, so watch it. لا تسمع فيها لاغية فيها عين جارية فيها سرور وأكواب موضوعة وزرابي مبثوثة فلا ينظرون إلى الأرض وإلى السماء كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال كيف نصفت لا ينظرون So guys, now we have done this side. We have done stitching this side, so we are going to cut the excess thread from it. Then after cutting it, then we cut the excess thread. Then now guys, we have done stitching this part, right? So now we are going to what, put it on this side. We are going to iron it to make it on this side, to go this side, just like we iron this one to make it come this side. Now we are going to put it on the iron table and iron it to make it go this side, so that we can come and stitch the other part, you understand. Alright, so guys, now we have done ironing to make it go that side. So now you're going to see the other part to make it that smooth, you understand, to get the way we want it to be, you understand. So just like, as you say, simple, you understand. So just watch the way I'm doing it, you'll be able to understand it. If I finish yourself, I don't need to show it. Sticking the piece out. But anyways, you should take it like that and keep going, understand? You're not gonna do anything wrong. Understand? So now we are stitching it straight to the down part, straight forward to the down part. So they go, then we arrange it as we we dey go, as we dey go, then we dey arrange it to make it the way it's gonna work, the way it's gonna be good. Alright, so guys, we have done stitching, so we are going to iron it and come and show you how it's looking. Alright, so guys, now after ironing it, this is exactly how it's looking. So we are going to stitch the waistband on top of it, so it's going to be what looking nice, and this is exactly how it's looking. So if you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. This is how to make a stripe on the trouser sideway. See you in the next video. Bye bye.